Hey guys, what a day! What a day! First, I'm gonna do a video recap of my day today, and then I'm gonna do a second video about when I enter, why how I manage trades, when I scale in, when I scale out, and things like that. That's gonna be on a second video, but this one is just a recap, and I want to do them separate because I don't want to cram them together. Because that entry and exit, that's kind of a little bit of how I really how I trade. So I want to really do a video just on that. But listen, so today this is what happened. Today was just a continuation of yesterday. And what I mean by that is yesterday when we closed yesterday, we were in the downtrend, okay? This was the level that I was what we call tub, trust until broke. That was the level we trusted, and this was the pivot low. So I told myself, okay, this is the level. And let me explain what I mean. This is the level. In order for a level to flip, meaning it's going to flip to, say, an uptrend. Okay, we're in a downtrend and flip to an uptrend. This level, in my mind, I want it to be broke at least 6 ticks. If you're having 3, 4 ticks and it's just breaking, just piercing above it, I don't consider that a broke level. I want this level to be broke by 6 ticks. So this is my level, right? So as the market's opening, I look at the overnight session, so I know the market's going to open lower. So when that happened, this is my level. Why? This is the most recent swing high, and this is the swing low. Okay, so this is where it can test certain traders' concept, especially how I trade, right? So this market pretty much rallied about 10 points. So it's hard to say, okay, we're still in a downtrend after you rally 10 points. But if I'm being true to my trading style told me, listen, be cool because this is the level you're trusting. This is the level you're trusting until broke. I've been doing this for a while. So for me, it's pretty simple to trust my level, right? Because until it breaks that level by 6 ticks, I'm going to keep shorting. So all right, and this is just a daily recap. So I started to scale in here, scaled in here, scaled in here. Market I thought it was turning here. I start scaling in aggressively, like trying to add to my winner what I thought was gonna winner, and then it came back in these levels and I scratched it. So this little sequence is what I call it. That was like a break even, maybe small loss sequence. It wasn't really too major. It wasn't a big loss, and I knew that. I'm like, okay, but still, I still have a short bias, right? So again, market pull up here. I started to scale in these levels, market come down. I scaled in aggressive. I got out in these levels because once it started to go in my favor, I kind of scale aggressively, right? I just do because I want to get that big trade. And then once it doesn't go in my favor right away, sometime I'll jump out. And I jumped out again, small loss, nothing big, nothing at all. Then when it came back, I re-entered here, and here's where the beauty happened. This is where this is my level, and I'm trusting that level until it's broke. And what do you know? This I hit this trade, and I just scaled it down, scaled it down, scaled it down. And like I said, I'll do a next video to tell you how I manage a trade, why I scale in, why I scale out of positions. But this is just a recap video. And then again, market goes here, pivot down there. That's my new level. I hold this level. Again, remember, this is my new level now, and the market has to break it by 6 ticks, and it didn't. So I'm gonna trust this level until it's broke. Pull back, drop again. You understand the concept, guys? I'm gonna trust the level until it breaks. That's just how I think about the market. That's just my experience. You can't get rattled by certain things because in the beginning of that market, that thing rallied 10 points. It's if you flipped your bias and said I'm gonna start going long, and then I completely understand. I've been there. I get it. And let's be clear. Just because I was correct today, don't mean I'm gonna be correct tomorrow. And And you very well could have flipped your trend and been right, and we rallied for the rest of the day. No one knows what's going to happen there. But I have a trading method, and I have a trading concept, but I have trading beliefs, and that's what keeps me on the track of blocking out the noise from other strategies and all this other stuff. I know what I do, and I'm gonna let you guys know. Yesterday, I had a losing day. I got ripped to pieces yesterday. Like I got tore to pieces yesterday. But you know what? That's part of trading, and it's gonna happen. And there's nothing wrong with that. But this one trade, and you heard me preach it. If you listen to any of my videos, I talk about the outlier trade. That's what's gonna keep you in this game. That's what's going to make you money. Those one or two outlier trades, that one day a week, that 1 week a month, that 2 or 3 months a year. That's what's going to make the difference. Everything else is just back and forth, back and forth. This is probably my outlier day. Killed it. And like I said, I just stayed true and just rode the market all the way down here, and I just stayed true to my trading style, and I just blocked out the noise. And like I said, I can see right here, I can see certain people flipping. If they don't really have a concept, I can see them flipping long. Or like I said, your concept of trading and your basic understanding of trading may cause you to flip, and there's nothing wrong with that, because every single trading style has got what I call blind spots. You can't predict the market every which way all the time. It's impossible. If you could, you would be a millionaire. You'd be a billionaire. You could predict the market. So sometime my trading style has blind spots that I'm gonna look like. Prime example, yesterday, the weaknesses in my trading got destroyed yesterday, right? And there's nothing I can do about that. That's just the way the trading market. That's just the way the markets move, and you can't be everything to every market. You can't move and get every move. It's just not possible. And it's okay to have a losing day, a losing trade. That's fine. As long as you learn to live with it, and over the course of time, you know your trading concept, and you know your trading style is going to make you money. Who cares about the losing days and losing trades? It happens. If you don't want to lose, then trading's not for you. And like I said, so everybody's trading, no matter how good you are, is going to have blind spots or weaknesses that if the market does this, it's going to yield your trading style a losing trade, a losing day. That's just what it is. Like yesterday, the way the market was moving, how choppy it was, it was the blind spot and the weakness in my trading that I don't want to change my whole trading to try to fight a day like that. It happens. You just take that losing day on the chin and you move on to the next day. I just been doing this for a while, and I know that's just the way of trading. It happens. But then what happened? And the next day, you just get blessed with a day like this that fit your trading style, just fit it perfect. And that's trading, guys. That's trading. And the thing is, you have to be here when those days happen. And think about it. People who had losing days yesterday, they could have went to their trading and made all these adjustments and all this other craziness, and then they missed out on a day like today. And that's why you can't make all those adjustments. You have to stick to your trading and stick to your guns, and you're gonna be okay. But today for me was a great day. As you could see, the market just dropped and dropped and dropped. And if you follow my simple method of where I say my bias is, which that's the basic of my trading, and you just drop and you just keep taking them shorts until it actually break a swing high level. And if it don't, you just keep shorten and shorten and shorten. And today, for me, this week has been pretty good. Yesterday was a bad day, but that happens. But this week has been pretty good. But that's what I'm talking about. This is like this for my trading. This is the prototypical day, but it's not always like that. It doesn't. It's not going to happen like that all the time. There's going to be blind spots and weak spots in my trading that I just can't. I just can't make up for it. And if I do make up for it, I'm giving up something else in my trading, and I don't want to do that. So you got to take the good with the bad, and I hope this helped. But stay tuned. I got another video coming next, and that video is going to be more on the way I add and exit trades and stuff like that. So thank you guys.